In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe account on X. By the end, you'll have your payout set up ready so you can receive earnings from your activity on X without confusion. First, make sure your X account is verified through X Premium. Monetization programs on X generally require a verified account to confirm your identity and keep the platform safe. If you are already verified, you are good to go. If not, complete verification before continuing, so you don't hit a roadblock later. Next, head to the monetization area inside X. On desktop, look at the left sidebar and click the More icon, the one with the 3 dots. In the mobile app, you'll find a similar menu from there. Select Monetization. If you don't see it right away, make sure your app is updated and that you are logged into the correct account. Inside Monetization, choose the program you want to apply for. A common option is Ads Revenue Sharing, which allows you to earn from ads shown in your content. Read the brief description so you understand how payouts work for that specific program. Then confirm your selection. Picking the correct program here helps X route your future earnings to the right place. Now it's time to connect your Stripe account. You'll see an on-screen prompt asking you to connect to Stripe, which is the payment processor X uses for payouts. Click the prompt and a new secure window will open. If you already have a Stripe account, sign in. If not, you can create a new one right there. Use details that match your legal information to avoid delays. It's a good idea to use an email you actively check, since Stripe will send important updates about your payouts. Once inside Stripe, complete the onboarding flow. You'll be asked for your banking information so Stripe can deposit your earnings, along with personal details and identity verification to comply with financial regulations. Have your official identification and bank details ready, and make sure the name and address you provide match your bank records. Double-check account and routing numbers to prevent payout failures. Depending on your region, Stripe may also ask for tax-related information. Take your time and review each screen before submitting. When you finish onboarding, Stripe will confirm your details and send you back to X. From here, your monetization program will reflect that Stripe is connected, and payouts will be enabled once your account is approved and you start earning. You can always return to the monetization section to review your status and settings. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.